Hey there my friend, this is Derek. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to actually set up your capture page in a quick and easy way. So the first thing you want to do is, as you can see here, I've got the blueprint downloaded on my desktop. Very important you do that for your references and save it in your files. As you can see right here, it's right in the middle of my desktop. It's the actual blueprint, and you want to make sure it's downloaded straight to your computer for obvious reasons. So the first thing I want you to do is obviously open it up, and when you do that and you're reading through it like you are right now, I'm sure, otherwise you probably wouldn't make your way to this video, but what you're going to do is, as you'll notice on page 11, is a step-by-step walkthrough tutorial, or at least the beginning of it. Now the first thing you want to do is obviously set up your hosting. So inside of the actual blueprint, you want to go and click on the Bluehost button here. As soon as you do that, it's going to direct you straight to Bluehost. Now on here, the first thing you want to do is obviously sign up. Now Bluehost comes strongly recommended by myself, and the main reason why I suggest it and recommend it to everybody is because of the great customer service any time of the day or night, and they're really quick, they're on the ball, and they pretty much help me out on and off the phone in just a couple minutes. But another cool thing here is that you get a free domain. So if you want bobsblueprint.com, it comes free with Bluehost, which will save you a little bit of cash and avoid using another source or another website if you don't need it. So another company. So it's really cool. Go ahead and sign up with Bluehost. You can search for your domain name to make sure it's available for you on Bluehost. They go ahead and do a search for you, and then you just sign up. Now, after you sign up and you sign in to your account, you're going to be directed into what we call the cPanel, which is pretty much like the back office of your business, of your website. So there's a whole bunch of buttons and stuff on here. None of it really means much to you, but what you want to do is go down to where it says Files. Okay, there's like a little private section here where it says Files, and you're going to double click on the File Manager. Okay, so go ahead and double click on the File Manager. It'll ask you what domain it's for. As you can see, mine is DerekErrigan.com. Yours will be whatever domain is that you signed up for. Go ahead and hit Go. Once you hit Go, it'll open up, and your documents and stuff in here will probably be absolutely blank. You won't see anything in here, but because, as you can see, I've been in here for a while doing certain stuff, I've already created what the book instructs you to do. So if you go back into the book, you're going to see that right off the bat, it suggests that you create a folder, and that folder is going to be called Capture Page, or whatever you want it to be, really. And as you can see, I have my folder right here. And to be able to create that, all you do is go up to the top, hit New Folder. It'll ask you what the folder name will be, and create it. After that, it'll pop you back out, and you'll see Capture Page right here. All you have to do is double click on the little blue folder icon, and it will open up. Now, this will be blank for you as well, but inside the book it also shows you how to create a new file. So essentially what this file will be your website page. So what you do is go ahead and click on Create a New File, and you type in blueprint.html. It must have .html in the end of that name, okay, because this is an HTML document. So all you have to do is, once you have created that, go ahead and right click and go to HTML Edit. As soon as that happens, Bluehost will open up right into the Design tab. As you can look in the far left corner down here, you'll see where it says Design. Bluehost automatically by default puts you there so you can have an overview of what your website looks like, okay? So once we've reached this spot here, what we want to do is go ahead and go back into the blueprint that you're reading, the one that's saved on your desktop, and you will see that also on page 11 it has directions to download a zip file. So go ahead and click on that, and this is loaded full of goodies for you, as far as, you know, extra documents and other links for other cool stuff that's free for you inside of your blueprint. All you simply have to do, now I will let you know one thing, is if you have the free version of the blueprint, you don't have all the goodies inside, so I suggest you pick that up. It'll save you a lot of time, and it's pretty cool, the bonuses you get. So once you have it downloaded, go ahead and unzip it. All you have to do is double click. It'll open up into a new page called a new folder called CapturePageLayout. Double click on it, and you'll see a whole bunch of good cool stuff on the inside. Now the one you want to pay attention to is the Capture Page Layout. This is an HTML document that as soon as you open it up, will open up your web browser. You know, it doesn't matter which one it is, Firefox or Chrome, and it will give you a code. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Go ahead and double click on that, and it'll ask you to make sure it's safe. Yes, go ahead and click yes. And you see all of this code in here. So what you want to do is you want to copy everything from top all the way to bottom. Go ahead and copy that and go back into Bluehost. Remember that blank page we're working on, and go down and hit source. It's in the far left corner right next to design. Click the source button, and immediately you'll see all these numbers and a little bit of text up here. We're going to get rid of the text that's up at the top. Go ahead and delete it, and then we're going to paste all of that coding in here. So go ahead and hit paste, whatever it is. For me, I'm on a Mac, so I hit Command V. For you PC users, I think it's Control V. But it's been a while since I used a PC, so bear with me here. All you have to do is paste that code in here and then go back to design and take a look at what it looks like. And there you go. As you can see, it's your fully functional capture page. There's a few things you have to do in here. I'm going to walk you through it really quick. But notice you can change all the text here. You can type in whatever you'd like, and it will, you know, switch it up. You can make your own little offer in here. You can delete stuff. If you don't even want a pre-headline, you can delete it. If you want a sub-headline, you can delete it. And the good news is you can swap out this video as well. That'll be explained to you in another video tutorial. But everything on this page is for you to use, including this video. You can use it. I've used it to generate tons and tons of leads, and I know it's going to work really well for you because it did for me. So let's go ahead and show you how to swap out or make this video play automatically. So before you do that, the first thing I want you to do is go up to the top left and hit the save button. It should look like a little file. Okay, hit save. And that way, all your hard work has already been done so far. So after you do that, go ahead and hit continue editing blueprint.html, and it'll bring you right back to the page. Once again, brings you right back into design, the default tab. So what we want to do at this point is make sure this video autoplays. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to source, and we're going to go down to line 30, see where is it, 34, where it says iframe title. You'll see all this text and video stuff. Go to where the end of it, where it says rel equals 0. You'll see like a website address here for YouTube, and then it says rel equals 0. Now before that quotation, you want to hit, you want to put the and sign, which is Shift 7, and type in autoplay equals 1. Okay, basically it tells the computer to automatically play this video as soon as you see it. So on this page. So after you do that, go ahead and hit design and see what it looks like. Hey friend, Derek Erigwin here. There you go. So now the video is going to play automatically, which means every single time somebody makes their way to this capture page, your site, this video is going to play automatically. So once you get done with that, go ahead and hit save one more time if you want autoplay. If you don't, not a big deal. What we're going to do at this point is go ahead and open up a new web page and take a look at what that web page looks like. So if you remember, we're going to go ahead and start off with http www dot whatever your domain name is. So if it's Bob's Blueprint, go ahead and type that in. For me, it's derekerigblueprint.com/capture page/blueprint.html. Now, the last thing you want to do here is give everybody this long website. There is another video inside of the bonus tutorials that show you how to mask this. So people only have to type in, you know, something really simple like bobsblueprint.com. I show you how to do that with GoDaddy. So another great benefit and reason why you want to have the full version. So this is the website address for that exact page we were just working on. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter and see what it looks like. Hey friend, Derek Erigwin here. You've been hearing a lot about taking... And there we go. So awesome. It's all together. If there's things in here you want to change, you'll notice up here it says your website address or your website name here inside the tab name. You can switch that out by simply going back into the file. So you go back into continue editing blueprint. You're going to open it up. You're going to open it up and go to source. And inside of here, you'll find it up here in the title section. It should be on line 4, okay? So where it says title, go ahead and swap out your website name here with your actual website name. You know, bobsblueprint.com, whatever you want. There's not too much other things in here you need to worry about. You don't need to change any of the colors, any of the coding unless you feel like you're up to it. But it's ready for you to go and completely customize and start generating leads.
Hey friend.
Building your business and leveraging this and giving it to your teammates to also build as well. So this is Derek Eriguen. I sure hope you got a lot of value from this. I look forward to seeing all the great results you get from it. And if you need anything, please connect with me on any of the social media channels also found in the blueprint. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.